Good morning, dosto. I hope you must be safe and sound. Here is a great moment, and I am very glad to inform you that Jharkhand Public Service Commission, that is JPSC, has notified for its civil service examination. It is the gateway to join the coveted service of the state government. Before to start our the lecture series, I would like to share my personal view with all of you. Because one thing you remember whenever you prepare for a exam which is considered to be more competitive and qualitative during the entire course of the time, one thing you must keep that your morals should be high, your confidence levels should be high. Okay, and how you make yourself motivated, because every day you will going to unfold the new chapters and new concepts. Okay, so, one thing that whenever you recall or read about the successful story of any of the successful individual, you will find that there was a moment when that person had taken an any, you can say, that distinguished decision and which made him a successful person. I would like to share one, two, three instances here. All of you know कि Subhash Chandra Bose, he was one of the stalwart of Indian national movement, and you can say that great son of the Indian soil. When he was in his childhood, his school teacher gave him a mantra that what is life? One day, Subhash Chandra Bose, asked his guru, what is life? Means what I have to do in life. Then, in simple terms, his guru guided him that every life has a mission. It means, what is life? Every life has a mission, and every life is a duty. Every life is a duty. It means, with these few words, actually, the guru had given Subhash Chandra Bose the two things. Means, there is something called goal of life, and there is something called means of life. If you take up pursuits while executing the means honestly, patiently, and with perseverance, with confidence, with dedication, with diligence, your goals or end that will be worthwhile, and your life will be cherished life and a worthy life. Similarly, the Chanakya said that there are two things which are constant in this world, that is time and energy. Time and energy. That one who makes the best and judicious use of the time and energy, one who reaches to the epitome of success. Okay, so it means time and energy means every person is awarded with the 24 hours. How you best utilize those 24 hours, that will determine that what plot of the success you are going to achieve. Okay, so they are the few quotations sometimes we refer to get yourself ourselves motivated in the hours when we are in a bit race to a competitive examination. Similarly, there are lots of other sayings, like sometimes one of the great the philosopher said that lives of great men all reminds us we can make our life sublime, and departing lives behind us in the footprints of the time. Okay, it means that every person is bound with this glorious gift, that is something called life, and in this life every woman, every person, there is something called mission, and for that mission, that one have to execute the diligent path with honesty and integrity, that makes the life worthwhile, worthy. Okay, so with these notes you should also collect some the lines so that you will be motivated, okay, continuously when sometimes you get dispirited with the syllabus, with the course of preparation, and hope that these terminologies will motivate you, inspire you. Now giving the best of luck. Now starting with our the topic, our the lecture series. We are here that to give some information and to draw a outline how you should read to complete the general studies for the paper 1 and paper 2. Okay, we had also organized our the program so that it will help you to develop the proper understanding, the proper concepts, and what type of resources you should prefer, so that you would have a guided preparation and you would have a dedicated preparation. Okay, because there is a lot of entropy. Do not divert from here and there. Focus on one sources, dedicated sources. Focus on your credential, your own potential. Prepare yourself and execute through test papers, through model papers, or number of effort you could take at your personal level so that you could achieve the best level of preparation. Okay. Now there are important things. There is notification you can download from the official website of Jharkhand Public Service Commission. Link is shared in the description box. You can also refer from there. You should remember few important dates like the 15th February, the online form fill up is going to start. Okay, link will be start enabled from today, and you can fill up to the 15th March. Okay, so it means during this period you should fill the form. Okay, the closing date is 15 March. उसके बाद फिर क्या है कि टेंटेटिव डेट फॉर प्रीलिम्स, टेंटेटिव डेट फॉर प्रीलिम्स कब है? इट इज अकॉर्डिंग टू नोटिफिकेशन, इट इज 2nd May 2021. It is important date. And the 4th week of September, this is the dates given for the mains, that is 4th week of September 2021. They are the 4 important dates. Okay, you should be prepared, you should be on time to fill up the form so that you would not be in hurry in the 11th hour. Okay, now you can also get the information about the complete notification, the syllabus, the chapters, the areas from where the questions are asked, what is the pattern of examination. Okay, and what actually the, you can say, possibly the resources you could refer. Entire description notification is given and you can download from the official website. Okay, it is available there. Download from official website, and I would also share the link in the description box. Okay, you can get the link from description box. Now the purpose of these video lecture series, that to let you inform about the pattern of examination. Okay, and today we primarily focus on the prelims because this is the time that you should prepare for the prelims. Okay, prelims जैसे पता है कि there are 2 papers, paper 1 and paper 2, and each paper has 100 questions. So 100 question in paper 1, 100 question in paper 2, so there is total 200 questions. Clear? Out of these 200 question, the merit list will be prepared and you have to attempt maximum because there is no negative marking. ठीक है, कोई भी negative marking नहीं है. There is no negative mark. So you should take your best effort. Second, this paper 2 is completely Jharkhand specific or Jharkhand based. completely Jharkhand based. Okay, now this paper 1, इसमें 10 क्वेश्चंस होंगे, 10 क्वेश्चन जो कि झारखंड स्पेसिफिक होंगे, मीन्स झारखंड बेस्ड एंड रिमेनिंग 90 क्वेश्चंस जो ओवरऑल अंडरस्टैंडिंग, ओवरऑल प्रिपरेशन फ्रॉम द जनरल स्टडी पेपर. Okay, this is the brief overview about the nature of paper, that is paper 1, paper 2, 100 question, total 200 question. Out of this 200 question, the merit list will be prepared. Okay, and कोई भी नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है, इसलिए मैक्सिमम एफर्ट लेना है. नाउ लेट्स सी 200 क्वेश्चन में 110. ओके, इफ यू ऐड, so that is 100 plus 10, it means 110 आउट ऑफ 200 क्वेश्चन जो होंगे सिर्फ झारखंड बेस्ड है और झारखंड स्पेसिफिक है. ओके, सेकेंड जो 90 क्वेश्चंस है, 90 आउट ऑफ 200, this is basically the GS based from the national perspective and from international areas also covered. So GS from national perspective, international, or you can call it current affairs, जिसमें सारे आ जाएंगे international, other areas of miscellaneous areas. Okay, now how you will prepare, कैसे इसको prepare करना है. Okay, if you look at the syllabus is very clearly designed. ओके, बहुत क्लियर कट दिया हुआ है. क्या कि वी आर स्टार्टिंग विथ लाइक पेपर 1 पे इंपॉर्टेंट एरियाज क्या क्या हैं. लाइक फर्स्ट वन इज योर हिस्ट्री, सेकंड द पॉलिटी, इंडियन पॉलिटी प्लस गवर्नेंस. Number 3, economics or economy and sustainable development plus sustainable development. Number 4, that is your geography. Geography you can divide it into physical, human, social and economic geography, that is in class 11th and 12th, physical geography, human geography, social economic geography, and important, that is Indian geography, that is class 11th and 12th NCERT book based. Clear? उसके अलावा द फिफ्थ एरिया जो है दैट इज बेसिकली झारखंड स्पेसिफिक, झारखंड बेस्ड है, जो कि 10 क्वेश्चंस है. एंड सिक्स्थ सेक्शन को हम लोग यहाँ पर हाईलाइट कर रहे हैं, दैट इज योर सिक्स्थ एरिया, दैट इज यू कैन कॉल इट अदर्स और मिक्स. इसमें करंट अफेयर्स है प्लस यूनाइटेड नेशंस प्लस इन्वायरमेंट के कुछ सेक्शंस प्लस इंटरनेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस, ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, ईटीसी. ओके, अदर डेवलपमेंट लाइक स्कीम्स जो भी हो सकते हैं, all these we are categorized under the section 6. So these are the 6 important areas. Out of which, जैसे कोई भी जीएस किसी को ठीक करना, there should have approach कि there is a misnomer in everyone's mind कि जीएस स्टडी का मतलब समथिंग लाइक कि कोई चीजें रट्टा मारनी है, कुछ याद करना है, फैक्ट्स हैं. ओके, जितनी ज़्यादा चीज़ें याद होंगी उतना ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल है. बट माय डियर, यू रिमेंबर दैट देयर इज अ वे टू रीड एंड अप्रोच एवरी ऑब्जेक्ट. इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड द स्किल, तब याद करना भी आसान हो जाएगा, मेंटेन करना भी आसान हो जाएगा. तुम्हारे पास एक डिफाइंड क्रिस्टलाइज्ड फॉर्म होगा एंड उसके बाद द प्रेजेंटेशन अपने आप आसान होगा. सो यू have to develop the skill to study any paper, any object, and here we have taken utmost effort कि किस तरह से skill build up हो और पेपर को उस तरह से ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया है कि हाउ यू विल स्टडी, विल ऑल्सो गाइड यू। ओके, हम लोग सब्सिक्वेंट लेक्चर्स में देखेंगे इन डिटेल्स द अप्रोच हाउ दैट इंडिविजुअल पेपर्स टू बी डेवलप, बुक लिस्ट भी देखेंगे कि कौन से स्टैंडर्ड रिसोर्स हमें रेफर करने हैं, एंड मोर और लेस जो हमारा लेक्चर प्रोग्राम है दैट इज वेरी ऑब्जेक्टिवली डिजाइंड, द डिफरेंट रिसोर्सेज को कंपाइल करके बनाया गया है। सो अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट यू कैन डेवलप फ्रॉम हियर and at the home or at your the time at any place where you got the time, उसको प्रैक्टिस करिए, रिवाइज करिए, बिकॉज ऑब्जेक्टिव इज जस्ट टू क्रिस्टलाइज द कॉन्सेप्ट्स। ओके, जब चीजें क्रिस्टलाइज हो जाएंगी देन यू विल हैव द सफिशिएंट टाइम सो दैट यू कुड रिवाइज द एंटायर थिंग। और जब मल्टीपल टाइम्स रिवीजन होगा देन द कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल डेफिनेटली हाई होगा एंड योर परफॉर्मेंस विल बी बेटर इंश्योर्ड। ओके, सो देयर इज ए मंत्रा that you can first thing that complete the syllabus, then revise as many times, restrict yourself to the limited resources, and you can focus on to skill building. Okay, then ultimately just practice as many as question papers you can. Now let's see a little bit about paper 2. Okay, पेपर 2 एज आई अर्लियर टोल्ड, इसमें भी कितने क्वेश्चंस होंगे? 100 क्वेश्चंस, एंड दैट इज अ सिग्निफिकेंट एरिया। एंड द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, ये पूरा झारखंड बेस्ड है। ओके, सो झारखंड बेस्ड है, इट मीन्स यू हैव टू स्टडी अबाउट द हिस्टोरिकल अंडरपिनिंग्स ऑफ द झारखंड। हियर यू हैव टू स्टडी अबाउट द झारखंड मूवमेंट, झारखंड की ज्योग्राफी, ओके, इकोनॉमी about the Jharkhand, its art and culture, then various folk tribes. Okay, then important area that is administrative systems. Okay, administrative system का मतलब क्या है कि what is the system to govern in the different historical points of the time. Okay, कि there is the different tribes, majority tribes were like there was the you can say Mundas administrative system, Santhal administrative systems. Okay, so there are the different tribes. Okay, so in those tribes how they govern the peoples. Okay, so they had developed a type of system. Okay, so that we will going to study under administrative systems. So 4 5 6 the typical examples दिए हुए हैं, then you have to study about that. मुंडा, नागबंसी, परहा, मांझी, मुंडा मानकी, डोकलो सोहोर, जातीय पंचायत, शासन व्यवस्था. My dear friend, here we will take a different approach to understand it, and you will find that ये जो chapter है बहुत interesting है, that is a complete skill based, and you have to remember a little bit but you have to understand the concept. इसमें important area क्या है कि you should remember number of facts, and books के लिए जो standard resources हैं we will take up when we will organize the detailed lectures on paper 2. Okay, so let's conclude our the today's overview part, that it is an introductory lecture. Okay, जिसमें we have highlighted the important things about the Jharkhand Public Service Commission. Focus area should be skill building, and the paper 1 on paper 2 you try to build a coherency between that, कि जो knowledge यहाँ पर gain करे you should apply here, or try to integrate the things. It will make your study the preparation complete. Okay, so from the tomorrow onwards we will see in the sectional videos जिसमें हम लोग इंडिविजुअल पेपर्स को टारगेट करेंगे. द प्रोग्राम्स और जो लेक्चर्स हैं वो ऑब्जेक्टिवली डिजाइंड है, वहाँ पर माइक्रो एनालिसिस के दिखेंगे कि हाउ टू अप्रोच द पेपर, कौन से रिसोर्सेस हैं स्टैंडर्ड्स उसको रेफर करना है, एंड हाउ दैट वी विल अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंट पोर्शंस गिवन. ओके, so we will individually programmed for the Indian polity, governance, then economy, then history, okay, then geography, the different portion, and for separately for the paper 2 that is completely Jharkhand based, Jharkhand specific, we will take up that in a detailed way. Okay, so at last but not the least, everyone have the opportunity, that only things that how you realize that opportunity. Okay, so there is a proverb that the winners don't do different things, but they do things differently. Okay, so I would like to conclude that today's lecture with these symbolic lines, that heights of great men reached and kept were not attained by a sudden flight, but while their companions slept were toiling upwards in night. But this is the time, take dare, just leave everything aside, focus on the paper, okay, and just to implement it so that you would have a successful and a memorable experience throughout your life. All the best, good luck, prepare yourself, tune with us, that visit our the channel, it will update you and it will build up the basic preparation part. Thank you, good luck.